Poly Studio P15 is a personal video bar that gives you everything to look and sound your best on video calls in one sleek device. Inside the box, you will find the Studio P15 video bar, a display mounting clamp, AC adapter, power cord, and USB-C cable. First, take the Studio P15 and attach the display mount. Use the small thumb screw to attach the mount to the Studio P15. Next, connect the AC adapter and USB cable to the Studio P15. Place the device on top of your display and attach the mount so the device is level. The camera on the Studio P15 may be closed. If it has a red slash in front of it, just turn the camera lens to the left to open it. Connect the power cord to the AC adapter and plug it in. There's no power button, it will start up automatically. Then connect the other end of the USB cord to your PC or Mac. Both ends of the USB cable have a USB Type-C connection. If you don't have a USB-C port available on your computer or docking station, you may need to use a separate adapter. Your Windows or Mac computer will automatically set up the device, but to get the most out of it, you should download and install the PolyLens desktop app if you don't have it already. Just go to poly.com/lens to download the app. After you've downloaded the app, run it to complete installation. Then open the app. Now you'll see the Poly Studio P15 listed on the left side. Go ahead and select it. If a software update is available, it will let you know, and you should go ahead and start the update. Now go into Controls, and you can adjust camera settings or change the camera tracking. Under Settings, you can adjust the audio and noise blocking features. Be sure to also explore the best practices and health and wellness sections to get the most out of your workday. You are now ready to enjoy your Studio P15. For more information, visit poly.com.